better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free, and it'll help you learn this song a whole lot easier. Plus, there's a few surprise gifts for you inside of the blueprint. Time for a classic Neil Young song, After the Gold Rush. This is one of the first songs I heard that I kind of fell in love with Neil Young. This is from his second album, and the title track from it, After the Gold Rush. So this one, it's kind of an easy strum song, but it's got some nice little picking things that I'm going to get into as well. So I'm just going to run through the chords the way they land in the verse and in the chorus, which is one and the same. It's all part of the flow of the song. So it starts out with a G chord, and then it goes to a D. All the nights, back to a G, to a D, something about a queen, and then back to the D. There were peasants singing, and then an A, G, to an A. Then it goes to a B minor, and a C, and a G, to a C, back to a D, nature, A, on G, on the 1970s. That's the form of the song, okay? And I'm going to show you a couple, as I mentioned, a couple of little moves that really make it interesting. There's one thing I wanted to mention though, that B minor to the C. If you play the G and you lead with the B note, so you're playing a G chord, but you're not leading with the little G note. Sounds good. You can either do that G or B minor. That's one thing I'm noticing. My ear's telling me there's a B minor in there somewhere. So let me do the whole form of the song, and I'll sing a verse, and you can hear what it sounds like. Starts out with a G, then it comes in singing, well, I do this all the nights, you know, they're coming, saying something about a queen. There were peasants singing their colors bright, and the archers split their tree. Up to the B minor, there was a fanfare, C, blowin to the sun. G, B, to a C, and then back to the D. Mother Nature, A, G, the 1970s. Okay? That's pretty much the whole song. That's the way it goes. Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement, and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, we pick a new winner to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the YouTube channel and you're automatically registered to win. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification, and get updates for when new videos are uploaded. And make sure you like this video and comment down below for even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our daily video and in the community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called, and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson. Obviously the lyric changes. Second verse is, I was lying in my basement with the full moon in my eyes. I was hoping for replacement when the sun burst through the sky. There was a band playing in my head, and I felt like getting high. I was thinking about what a friend had said. I was hoping it was. So that's the C there. Thinking about what a friend said to Then there's a little horn solo. B minor to the C to a G. D, C. D, A. It hangs out there. Then it goes to the last verse. Silver spaceship flying in the yellow haze of the sun. There were children crying and colors flying all around the chosen one. All in a dream. All in a dream. Moment had begun. There was light, Mother Nature's silver sea to a new home in the sun. Then it repeats that. Flying Mother Nature's silver sea to a new home. Okay? So I just want to make sure that you got that A to the C at the end. I think I went straight to the G on the first time around. But know that that goes at the end of each verse, or at the end of each chorus, as it were. That's how it resolves. Okay, now I want to show you just a couple of little simple moves that I think are important. I'm doing a little, you might have noticed, I'm doing a little hammer on in the D. I think it's kind of cool to have that in there. You don't have to spell out the interior melody throughout, but I think it makes a vocal that much more kind of compelling. And what I'm doing is I'm just doing a hammer on that F sharp note, which is the E2, with my second finger. Now, you've probably heard that in a lot of James Taylor, very 70s lick, but it's cool. Cat Stevens as well. I know Jason's a big fan of Cat. So you start out with that's how the melody goes. Pretty much follows the vocal line there. I don't do that all the way through the song, but I do it in the beginning because it kind of works to go. By the way, I'm singing in an octave lower than Neil. I can't get it to those high notes, but if you can't either, you can either sing it in this key or you can change the keys. You can capo up and down, but that's a whole other thing. So, well, I dreamed I saw the spaceships flying the haze of the sun. Again. That one's a little different. Okay, see, I'm picking up the 3rd fret on the E string with my pinky. Kind of cool. To the G. And that's when at that point I just do the strum the chords. I don't hit the melodies, but I'll show you in practice how that works, and you'll see what I mean. Well, I dreamed I saw the silver spaceships flying the haze of the sun. There were children crying all around the chosen one. All in a dream, all in a dream. And then here's that G with a B note. I like the way that, it's almost like a B minor sort of sound, as opposed to just a straight. I like leading with that B note. It's an A2. And then back to the D. And then the final resolve. And I'm doing that hammer on again. And then I'm going up to the G. Gets out lick. Then to your final C. And then it ends on a G. So that's kind of an inside look at After the Gold Rush. Great song, kind of an epic Neil Young from the 70s. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you down the road. Thank you for taking the time to check out this online guitar lesson. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a whole lot easier at www.jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag and apparel, guitar gear, and sometimes we'll even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment below, and share this video with anyone you think might like it. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck!